Hello everyone, and welcome to our introduction video on how to use TSU. For those of you who are not familiar with what TSU is a new social networking platform which pays its users for posting content similar to what you do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other social networks. Now, in order to join this network, what you must do is receive an invitation code from a user already registered with TSU. So in this example, we are going to use this user's name, which is tsu.co/TREISM. Now, when we go to this particular uh, website or this link, what happens is it brings up a message saying welcome aboard. And the person that sent you the invitation link basically is inviting you to join the network. Now, when you do decide to join the network, it's going to ask you for some basic information, which is your first name, last name, a unique username, your email address, gender, birth date, and a password. Now, what we're going to do here is a sample. So we're going to create Joe Schmo, and we're going to write Joe Schmo, and we are going to input an email address, which is this. We're going to select the gender, just a random birthday right now for the example of the video, and we're going to place a password, and then what we're going to do is click sign up, which is the green button right below. Now, once you complete this first step, the next step is uploading a picture. Okay, so this is important that you upload a picture. So what you want to do is, in this case, you can upload any type of photo, such as this. A photo editor comes up. You can apply the picture, save it. You can add a bio, a phone number. All this stuff is not necessary. However, if you do have a YouTube page, Tumblr page, Pinterest, or other social networking, then you can use that. So what's going to happen now is you click next after you input that information. And once it loads, it's going to ask you to connect your social networking accounts. Now, if you have a Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram page, you can connect this to your account, and this will help you later on find other users who are already connected on these social networks who are also signed up with TSU, or it will allow you to send them invitations through these particular networks. So in this case, we're not going to connect any social networks to this TSU page. We're going to click next. Now the next page that comes up is basically some verified users who are currently using TSU, and these are basically like suggested followers. You don't have to follow these people, you can if you want to. In this instance, we're going to click skip, and once we do that, now it brings you to the user's page who actually sent you the invitation. Now, once you have completed those steps, what's going to happen is you do have to confirm your email address. Now, the email address you use is very important that you put in a correct and accurate email address because you will receive your confirmation instructions to that email. Now, once you've done that, what you want to do, of course, is check out your own profile. Now, as you see here, there's nothing here but a picture of yourself, your name, some information in the bio, and here's your timeline or wall. Now, it's important that you post this picture, create a bio, and start using the site. So, if you were invited by that individual, then what you can do is go back to their page. And now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is gain some followers. So you can check out their followers and follow a couple of people. Just follow some people on the page just to familiarize yourself with the site, introduce yourself to some of these individuals, and they'll follow you back. Now, once they follow you back, this is helpful because now you have people part of your network on here. Well, not necessarily part of your network, but part of your following, and now they'll be able to see the content that you're posting. So once you've done that, follow a few people, go back to your profile, and of course, you can create a post here, add a picture, a title, which would be here and it would show up in bold letters once it's posted. And then you click post and a post will show up. Now, as you see here, I just followed someone and gained a follower right now. Now, another important thing that you want to do is you want to go to your settings. Okay, now this is important. When you join, the most important thing you want to do is have other individuals join your network. Now, this is your invitation link here. So when you go to invitations under settings, here's your invitation link here. You want to use this invitation link to invite other people to join the network through you. Now here is why it's important. Because once you send out your invitation link, when they join, they will be under what is called your family tree. Your family tree shows everyone who just signed up under your invitation link here. That's called your children or your new children. So these two bubbles here will indicate all of those who have signed up under your username. Now, your network is all the individuals who have signed up under your children. So you definitely want to invite people using your invitation code, which again, if you go back to settings, which you can click here and go to invitations, then you will see your link here, your invitation link here, that you can use to basically invite other users to the website. And once you've done that, then you definitely want to start posting content, continue to invite individuals, and be active on the website. But most importantly, go to the fact page because this will explain to you everything about the new network, from how to use it, the rules, terms and conditions, payments, etc. So definitely make sure that you check those things out. If you have any other questions, you can contact the individual who invited you to Sue. And in this case, it would be this page here. And ask this individual any questions that you may have pertaining to the site or the sign up process, and they'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you again for watching the video and have a wonderful day.